Here are top 5 South African celebrities WHO proudly wear African clothes. Some of our favorite local stars don't wait for Heritage Day to rock their traditional clothes. Most of these African queens slay every time they step out in their traditional wear throughout the year, and we appreciate them for it. Here are some of the celebrities who proudly wear African clothes. 1. Nomsa Mbatha. Nomsa Mo is the reigning queen of wearing traditional attire. The Nubian queen started the trend of wearing traditional wear to red carpets. 2. Thembisa Mdoda. Mzansi's most loved presenter is at the forefront of mixing traditional and Western wear. 3. Amanda Black. We love how Amanda Black embraces her Xhosa heritage every time she steps out of the house. 4. Hulizani Ravel. Hulizani Ravel is proudly Venda and we love it. 5. Candice Mendebel. Candy always looks stunning.
Yeah.